guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna help you guys make a trap for an obby in Roblox Studio. So first you just make a part. Okay, so I promised last time that I promised you guys that I will make a car, right? I'll make the car in the second episode. Okay, so look forward for that. And so yeah, let's get into the video. So first you want to spawn in a base plate from the templates. Then you want to go to part. Okay, part, just one. Okay, and then you go to scale, make it longer. And if you guys want to see more Roblox Studio in this channel, Coding with Froggy. Sorry. Sorry, my throat's a little ill. Okay, so if you guys want to see more videos in the channel, you better hit that subscribe button because I'm making more videos in this channel about Roblox Studio. So look forward for that. Next episode, I'll make how to make a car. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and slap that bell icon to never miss another video. So first you go here, and then you need to go to the so first you will have like a toolbox over here. So you need to close the toolbox so you have more space. And then you need to turn on the explorers from the view and properties so you can change the type and color. So first I'm going to change the color to red. Okay. And then I go to part and then script. I'll put the code in the description below. So you need to type in script under script, and then this thing, local trapParent equal script.Parent, local function on touch, and you say other part in the middle of this thing, that thing. Okay, and local partParent, it's the variable, equal otherPart.Parent. And then local humanoid, that's the humanoid in your body, like your heart, lungs, like your most important body parts. Okay, partParent, and then you put two dots, FindFirstChildWhichIsA, then humanoid. If humanoid, then set player's health to 0. That means you'll die instantly. So if you want to set
it's 8:45.
Sorry for noises. It's 8:45 in my country. So back to the video. If you want to like set the player to only half, not instantly die, you can just change it to like 50, so it's half, and then once they hit the other one, 0, and then you just 50, 0, 50, 0. Okay, so then you write end. Just press enter. Like this. Okay, I'll just delete the end and the other end. Okay, just end. Just copy the thing in my descriptions, or just do it yourself. Trap part, and then after the NN, you need to type in trapPart.Touch connect, and then you need to put this thing, and then onPartTouch. So this is what you want to do. This is the script. So now I'll play the game. Okay, now I'll play the game. Just wait, it's still loading. Okay. So you'll spawn in here, and then there's my block. This is very good for an obby. So when you touch it, wait. What's wrong? Wait, sorry. Dang it, I did something wrong. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I need to stop and then play. So I'll put the code in the description below so you guys can make it too. So I'll test it again before it does not work. Okay, maybe now it works. It still doesn't work. Okay, it does not work, so I'll go to my Roblox Studio. Give me a minute, guys. No, okay. So I'll go to my Roblox Studio and then go to my games, and then in my easy obby, I make an obby. So the code I did may be wrong, so just find a trap cell here. So you can make traps like this or traps like this. So here, then you go to the script. Where's the script? Oh, that's for checkpoints. No. Let's see, script. There we go. See, it's the same, but it's the same. So later I'll put it in the description. So now let's test it. So after this one, I'll help you guys make a car. Okay. So I'll just use HD commands. Okay, maybe later I'll teach you guys how to put HD commands. Okay, just fly me. What? Fly me. There we go. See, when you touch it, you die. What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened over here? Okay, so you guys, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and slap that bell icon to never miss another video. Goodbye and peace out.